Yere, e che non me la posso snappare. Lennon. What's up for national history? Please share this video. Yada. We are fine. What's up? Where you I cannot go back back and go. I will hear me, I'm never home. You know, I'm not going back and go. Where you live, I cannot get back and go. I will hear me, I'm never home. Lost in marriage, okay, lost in saga. Lost in marriage, okay, lost in saga. Okay, saga. So God will know me. lost this saga now. Lost this saga. He lost the marriage. Okay, lost this saga neko. But he lost the marriage. No masi go yahoo. Okay, lost this saga ne. Lost the marriage. Nasi go yahoo go. Okay, lost this saga neko. Okay, but I tell you that no, yeah, we marriage. The marriage kill us sagane. And when sister return a bride price, and we have we marriage go. Iye-eki. Lost marriage. Okay, lost saga. Oduma meje ologbe. Oduma meje ologbe. Ọmọlá wa máa wá fún tọ́yé máa. Máa wá rẹ̀rù tọ́yé rẹ̀rù. Ebe náà wé náà dé ru ọdẹ wá wá. Usawesi nona iwa ulele. Ale mwana oti la mele. Bila ki uko wame. Ewe mwana ilu BECKY. Ate fei bright. Oduma meye. Ololode. Oduma meye me. Ọmọdé wa máa wá fún tọ́yé máa. Who sing this song? When I see the person who sing this song. Well, Jimo, give me one. I give this one to my wife. This one and my wife on our cultural marriage. Wait. If I me very dash, me I dash my wife one cultural music. No, so na cultural marriage. Me and my wife do. So as a cultural marriage, lost marriage does scatter now. They don't talk to lost saga. God. My left nipple they shift. Somebody's using saga to shift my left nipple. With this music now, this music is still wrong. This my phone needs change. I need to change this phone. This phone need to change. No, this music can not play. Not be your Hey, get on, yes, hey. I greet you too, asshole. Viera quayo, Viera quayo. I am in oh, I don't want drink. I okay. Wait. Boss. Me want to drop this music with my wife. Since the person will see say me do cultural marriage, he do luxury marriage. A luxury marriage is Zaga. My lovely wife, this music is dedicated to you. Cultural marriage, you know. Love you, Doya Sanyebo. I don't want drink. I don't cross my leg with my drink. Not anybody. Don't kiss. What got that joint together? Let no man put asunder. I don't want my drink. not to last and why, and my way. Oh, what's in there? When you back up, what's in the dagolden? Yes, my people, I greet you all. We better start with our most national peace to reign. All right. It's about to go down. Why are you going Enogie we. No mind why I say I go here. We in charge. Those are the aye. Obiago. No coco worry. Yes. What you go? What you go, man? I went down one again. Obiago. I can't manage that now. Then you them call the what? All right. That's our Muslim for national peace. Please share this video. Share this video. Why are cultural marriage in Meru? I'm the only live video presenter with cultural marriage. We no go say, we the boss abu do too. Me mag bemila. We na a luxury marriage in mag bemila. At the end of the day, I am not here resulting here. I don't mean with cultural marriage. I go ahead and live now. The PC are now. Since a marriage in a community now, we go yoku. Ogun de wani. A more ye more. A boga dem who you are dem wira. Or the mad do have a mamma. Or the bibia ye. Oh, understand now? One is ego our marriage. What do to ta? One is ego de no get no ya work your man. Oh, ya do go man or do go man or we do. No, that you go man. No, now, now you can have been on your big big. Ayala priest because anybody will be right. Also, now you read already, yeah, our marriage. It is a fellow you want on one young body, because the only that we go be. Here you want to book a gogonia. When we are near marriage, especially a Dimothy, no your ballad. Walk over your monarch could be. Egma who were woman with you, no, oh God. When anointed man bless your marriage will be blessed. When God bless your marriage will be cursed. Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? Last Sabbath. Oh God, bless for my peace to me. I repeat, hear me and hear me clear. When anointed man or anointed woman bless your marriage, your union will ever be peaceful, will be fruitful, will be blessed. But when Oriomba a cursed man, bless your marriage. Oga, na bo, Now, what can you people now say between the luxury marriage and the cultural marriage? Which one be the real marriage now? Who really married? Abba say marriage, according to this, my brother. This video make me get laugh.
Abba where marriage?
Okay.
If you marry marriage of Abba where,
okay,
they don't marry, make a go marry.
Okay.
To return bride price, it's very easy.
Okay.
Either you will go return her back to the man, or the man will come return her back to you.
Okay.
Abba where marriage, they don't marry, make a go marry.
Okay.
Your marriage not go last.
Okay.
If you marry a person when you not supposed to marry, based on say, if I don't marry and now people come to laugh me, I don't date and take. They go pursue you come out for her for street or for Europe. You don't understand?
Okay.
They don't they marry, make a go marry. And number two, marriage when you yourself not to spend money. Maybe my friends, my fans, my followers, my brothers, my family, now donate for you to do that marriage. That kind of marriage don't they last. Our war. Then they pursue you, they come out for house every day. Person must come back for you before you go enter house. She go pursue you one day permanent. Odo Area Street. I remember those days, people from Nigeria. Now men they pursue women come out for house. Okay. They'll constantly beg the wife go come back. But for Europe, now the opposite. I been on that government about 1 year so no. Okay. Now wow.
Wow. About marriage. This is about marriage. I will not comment on 1 year so no. Eh oui, c'est Kenyan. One of them Facebook, what you are YouTube. If you don't know me, we need to talk to this muggle. We need to talk to this muggle about marriage.
About marriage. Hey. If you marry marriage of Abawe, they don't marry, make a go marry. To return bride price, it's very easy. Either you will go return her back to the man, or the man will come return her back to you.
Yes, now.
Abawe marriage, they don't marry, make a go marry. Your marriage don't go last. If you marry a person, when you want to go marry, based on say, if I don't marry and people come to laugh me, I don't date and they go pursue you come on for half for street or for Europe.
Okay.
You know understand? They don't they marry, make a go marry. And number two, marriage when you yourself not to spend money, maybe na friends, na fans, na followers, na brothers, na family, na it donate for you to do that marriage. That kind of marriage don't they last. Our war. Then they pursue you, they come on for house every day. Person must come back for you before you go enter house. She go pursue you one day permanent. Odo Area Street.
Okay.
I remember those days, people from Nigeria. Now men they pursue women come up for house. Exactly. They'll constantly beg the wife go come back. But for Europe, now the opposite. I been on that government about 1 year so no. Now wow. I laugh in that English language. Now only Europe, you see person when don't get document, you don't get work, you don't even get sense. You go get God son, you go get God daughter. Hi, before you go use person as a God, before you go use person as a godfather or godmother, you will not say that person go feel nurture you, he go feel lecture you, he go feel tutor you. You will have something to gain for that person. Exactly. Not be when you now you go give him. Exactly. If you use person when you get sense, they do godfather or godmother, they go reduce your brain. Person when not get document, he not get work. They know they break, may get up, they go work. It go be your godmother or your godfather. So go even from husband house, go the fuck for outside. That will be your godmother or your godfather. Now wow.
Let's go YouTube. Click on that link and join me on YouTube after. Well, goddaughter, godfather. Godfather.
I laugh in that English language. Now only Europe, you see person when don't get document, you don't get work, you don't even get sense. Go get God son, go get God daughter. Hi, before you go use person as a godfather or godmother, you will not say that person go feel nurture you, he go feel lecture you, he go feel tutor you. You will have something to gain for that person. Not be when you now you go give him. If you use person when you get sense, they do godfather or godmother, they go reduce your brain. Person when not get document, he not get work. They know they break, may get up, they go work. It go be your godmother or your godfather. So go even from husband house, go the fuck for outside. That will be your godmother or your godfather. Now wow.
We bank. You buy me godota, or me godfather, or give me godmother, or what go here, no gosse, or gofu, or madia, a godota, you can, or you can wait here, babo, or bolea, or ya, this young way, my godota, or we are here, what's yes or not, godota. Because I can't that's never or go away.
If he's not the open for he's right. Now he words of mouth make not the open for because me not they stupid. Now boy, not they useless. I not they stupid. I know my words. I know myself. I not be women we go down born 5, no 6, born 6. They not go know their words. They not go know their full step. Man go abuse me, call me all sort of name. You tap me say you know me now. That go come really say, oh, put life for you. Say my husband do as you like. You marry me for waiting. I can never try that. If you say no put life, you want to go outside. Congratulations to you and the woman. We want to go miss. I know hold on because me we know put life for. I know say definitely go outside. Now myself I dey fight for. I get pride. I don't bump for everywhere. I get pride. Man, if you call me Gbiaga, say me a couple leg, other 1 month, other 2 months, other 1 week. Never, it not go happen. And who say a man are not good? Now my head, now I go ask you. You go see what I see. Go you pass me. Oh, tell me you can't talk. Come and say you not good. I go talk. Come people go laugh me. My enemy go use that laugh me. That they call that ROIP. God forbid. I have a long way to go. I have little children. One go take off because if he follow his children, no, they cause another person easily. Like that because he want me to call you. So you want me say me you with the join me say I not get character. Carry your mama give him because your mama get character. Your mama dey nice. If man abuse you, call you all type of name. It the nice open leg give him me for not carry another woman. They please that with you to tell me for not carry another woman. Now boy not keep person. Yeah, carry yourself, carry give a man abuse your life finish. Cause your man call you any kind of name. It the nice go wake that man open your leg give him. I don't want to say make I talk go ya. Before anybody judge me say mama Nora, you know open for your husband. I reach my body go take a
Okay.
Man of it they abuse me all the time. They abuse me every minute. They make the open left for everyone 1 hour. It not go happen.
Sister open
La happen you know the happen. Mama Laura, we stand by you. And Boya, the ex-president of single mother of 2 different baby fathers, stand by you. Boya, stand by you. We stand by you. You don't come here and shower. Una me bok bijene. Una me bok berane. Who don't me bok bene? You can't say this in one shop like Toto. You know they shop like Toto. You know they shop like Toto. Toto is a kind of food.
Huh?
Toto is a kind of food. Sweet like Toto, yellow like Toto. Everybody like Toto. Toto.
Oh, wala do.
No come tell me see one knack oh. No tell me see one knack eh.
Which knack?
No come tell me see one knack eh.
Which knack?
No come tell me see one knack oh.
I go knock you till the day where you go return that bride price.
You go knock me till
Let me not tell now.
You go knock me waiting.
Until the day you
go
return
knock
that
me
bride
waiting.
price.
You go knock me waiting.
Europeans. Oh, now pray for me.
You go knock me the day we return me. Go You go knock me. I got the scream for you. You did a scream. You go scream. Bedtime fi happen. Bedtime fi happen. Bedtime fi happen. Bedtime fi happen.
Not distract me.
Bedtime fi happen. You go knock me till I return bride price. That's so.
Take phone, mama.
You go knock me till I return bride price.
Yes.
You put up for public say you go knock me.
Till you return bride price.
You go knock me.
Yes. And
you go knock me. Don't get be waiting. Don't get be waiting.
No return the bride price. If you did not return it as at that time.
Return and when?
Anytime from now.
Give me your account, may I send that put.
Nine. Your family will appear before my family.
Give me your account, you appear. No.
Then you never return.
Don't you think what they thought of boy and say?
Then you never return.
No. Give me your account, may I send that
put. No, not be account for you.
Give me your account, may I send that put.
You will return it traditionally.
Give me your account, may I return.
Never. I not be maybe.
How much? 25 naira.
Yes. Traditionally, my family and your family will meet.
They're not going to meet anything. They're not going to meet. We are meeting. We are meeting.
If you get where I wait you reach.
Man, not there assist me again for bride price though.
This anyway.
Man, not there assist me again for bride price though. And they tell them.
Mother call ask him. See, God, you know that.
Me delete am where.
Now they mention my picking for this nonsense. Priceless.
Me really tell you.
Me tell you. Say me you tell your husband. Make you know they do.
I swear for your nonsense before.
Live video for children room. Say not tell her.
I say not tell me like that. I use I get put for your body.
You not tell her. Now you allow me to saga innocent person.
But not to be you call me.
You tell me the person name.
I'll cut the person.
Okay. Now you got anything I do your godmother.
What the person
She deserve him. But I am here to apologize to her.
Apologize. Now this story full everywhere.
Please. I don't know say my wife used you lie to me. Please, godmother, may I put your picture. Amen. I wish I know say not be you. Tell them.
I be like you they put
you come and call the apologize so.
You do every minute. Man,
you swear that day for year.
For
That
you forget yourself.
Now, okay,
all the people there, so now you come where as possible.
I'm not saying I'm big. When people say the verse,
now people, before I continue, before I continue, go another verse. Now room I've been a call wagwa.
The first thing I call, the first thing
I feel waiting.
Now you the leo. Oh God, this man.
So everybody when they watch me.
Unuye akwarunuye je baba ekpu herawe edomodo sabe se na ekpu he wa yoko ojoko for say hey Jesus see the lips Jesus see lip me una wa nyam na ga nyu he to baba oye nu mo ho udazi we mi akwarunu baba ona salam aleikum. On a mis à tête, nous y a rien.
Fils, Nako.
The same thing they talk. I said you fit now room Nako like here. Now make I swear.
Don't the rich comments.
I don't fear. I don't say the no less. I don't say the.
Now tell the enter. Make this.
I don't say the less. Say Nako here. You know the year what?
Okay, Nako you here.
Let go here. Let because not be come. Let make I swear.
No, not the show.
Because go not be. Now really come me. Now she really come me.
God for.
Now she really come me.
So because of this your agua-guana.
No, she really come me. Why not? Well, she come me.
You don't listen to waiting at all.
I don't listen. No, you go not call. Let me they say because I know 70% not be.
Now you come and start for that. They tell me say me not verbally.
Not call. Now you call. You don't be for me say. He come and say me I come for room. Me come for room. That one reach over for person for.
Because of very no you to worry. You just have to say to worry. Yeah, vaya go like me am. Akba abubo vaya. Two of them bunch of fools. You want to talk one thing for yourself? You see, you don't tell me the verse for you.
Yes, because I used to live there. Now you make me dislike this woman.
In which way?
Just the way you do so.
In which way?
Just the way you do so.
Have I got to this woman to you? Yes or no?
I don't know. The way you all time, mommy. Allow me apologize. I'm not a voice of your hand.
Have I got to this woman to you?
When my mama now where
you should be responsible father. Pay say me not do like it for sharing the room. You the verse.
Yes.
You should be responsible father.
You know
say me not do like you for the room. You the verse.
Because it was under the control.
You the verse.
Godmother, now you take
telling me that. I'll be telling you.
You'll be telling me where?
I'll be telling you.
Now.
Before my godmother said that, I'll be telling you.
Let's get to business.
I'll be telling you several times. Now God says, okay, wait till I go talk. Now okay, maybe my godmother tell less. Now God go send you.
I beg, imagine we are going you way. Mama, you marry.
Now I call it my godmother tell like maybe you'll see here down because I'll be telling you, stay clear for that room because of you. Don't she try not sleeping.
When you marry,
don't she try not sleeping.
Where did you get it from? That's the clear from that. Where did you get it from? You got it from your mind.
I've not been telling you before. Even last year, when I knew I reached that room.
Where did you get it from?
See your life now, Juju don't feel your body.
Oh, Juju from my body.
Oh, boss me a cause. I say, oh, not get that right. I don't get that to solve for nonsense. I never apologize. I say Apollo get that. I not get time to swear for nonsense. Now you
know say you talking.
Now you yes, boy, no say talk. Because say, I call swear for they say I call they swear for nonsense. For what thing happen? You know they don't train me like that. Who went boy now one? He want get boy. He boy there. Now never be your call that day. I swear because I know I never met her before. They make call they swear for nonsense. Say he said I come for children room. Room. Not be left. We some people. We some people go lost. Now that was story.
What's your
now that was story. You said that you come and say I come for say now you call me. Now that was story. Now that was story. You see your life. Now that was story. You see you know that was cause story. You see you know that was cause story. We use your mouth to say you don't tell me the best. I never apologize to her.
You never apologize. You
don't tell me the best for
her. Saloboa.
Where are you now?
The way I do.
Who can back there?
Why you want?
Who can buy?
Agba where you mama.
Yeah, buy well. Mama,
wala kina mo gba we na.
Yeah, ma buy well.
Ìwé la video. Itemoye lola.
Don't get up, go Peter. Come. Come now, please. You can't say they use me, they play, they run up and down. And you go inside, Mama, okay? Go inside.
You know you Yasha.
Now, lock this door for me. My people wanna listen. Their house not settled, but they don't disgrace ourselves for media. Here, disgrace me. Lock the door. Now here you take the year. Yeah, Huna, may the not for come again. Now, my people. Do you know where Mommy Nora get that IQ from? Say me how they do live video for children from my enemy smart. Then they use and saga me.
When you make this room, I'll be telling you that you hear what?
When
you make this
because tomorrow now you say you not here and when your body now
stop saga.
Your body my enemies go use and laugh me. Say I they do live video for my children.
Then
she can't use.
Responsible father. They make you a verse.
Yes, our verse. It was verse. Then what is Sunu? In the matter way, what people talk, that's what they use for me. Like, in the matter. Yeah, they use that the saga you say you do saga for children room. Not be you talk about what why will your body when no man
Enogie we the baby boy. Well, so unfortunate where okay Umenwan zuwa. Every time you tell me where you man wuni agmema we. Boy, it's a prophecy that must come to pass. Each woman afia wuna, you get Elizabeth. I must set him away. You are really a fool as a man. If you want to understand, a governor, the senator, the Bewu, or we in Rabat or Basel Gasson, or we in Ragay, or we in the learn many things from Abbat, which is Abbat is an opposition to Modi. No, less Abbat is an enemy of Modi. But if Abbat enter Nigeria, you go prison. But in Abbat, you learn a lot of things from Abbat. But Abbat is Nigeria or even the governor of his state, Edo State, Italian. That's to let you know, see, waiting with the saga ourselves now, the lapses where you will see about you. Like this scenario we just did now, you're in why they fight now. Now we they beat you because when they use the reality, they beat you. They bring out points and points where you try to cover up for your side who they wrong and who guilty, who know they wrong will come and clarify this media. Now, you they do video for your children room. Me where you the saga, I get office where for the do video, not be my bedroom, not be my bedroom, not be my parlor, not be for my kitchen. I get office created for saga. Then you will come out for social media. They quarrel with your wife, say your wife, they use and they laugh you. If they hear for your enemy, but they use and they laugh you. If your head, most of the lapses where you get, now your enemy, you to correct them. You where they talk Enogie. Not be when I say maybe they carry your children come out. Not be you start they carry your children come out. You know they listen to me, you know they hear me. You know they pick most of the things where they do, till they do things. Not be me go pay brand price, not be you wrong, go pay brand price. Now maybe your mentor. Eh? So you they see I say the good things about me, they learn as small, but still continue learning it. You are a boy. If your wife say you don't do video for children room, if that Facebook they really pay money, they make money, that woman they see that money, they enjoy that money, I'm not sure that woman go dey against you. So you're winner. And you will like you're winner. No, bro. Me will tell us, don't deceive yourself. They take page you well, YouTube well, Facebook well, TikTok well. They give you better style. I see no reason why your wife will be after you. Will they torment you? Bro. You get what I'm saying, bro? So you not good to torment you. Oh yeah, but now you not good. Uma Enogie say bad head as a husband. Down when you no kill no yilawa. Wiki. Wiki. You say now smart for you. You know see the apartment where smart this thing. You know how many car smart get? How many car where smart get for compound for America? You dey cause smart na your enemy. Smart you can go get with here. Smart obaze. Smart obaze na advice where you go take. Since I already master advice you. Now come closer, my boy. Oh, you buy the muffins with Betty. My video you celebrate hey. I the muffin has one share picture give on WhatsApp group. Ni allow ni celebrate. Oh my God. I just did laugh. A fool is always a fool. And the muffin has one share picture give on WhatsApp. Now allow na post a picture out here. Enogie, you only post picture. And the muffin you are in Nigeria this. Airport. Uma celebrated. But you celebrated other girls. Who is not even your goddaughter. Eddie Murphy is angry with you and you are angry with Eddie Murphy. The both of you is looking for who go first strike. Yes. The handwriting is written on the wall already. We all know the story. We know the vibes. Eddie Murphy and his household, they watch your back. And you as a guy, man, they watch their back. Would they see the scenario? Would they see everything? We do what they saw. Bro, don't play. We know the story. The moment you try to play a responsible man like Agbera Marine, only a game no play. Yeah, we are top on all your back. Oh, your back. They not guerrillas the road with deputy a governor. Your governor, senator, Monday, Okbebolo. Eddie Murphy man does a guy no give. Then when Umenwan you tell what a man, Okbebolo. Una the last government. I pity una play. Ajose akwanya magbekeka. Kwa hoa. Bed of the same feather. Omo hoa. Era hoa. Eddie Enogie nyakawe. Sis no okay. Enogie yakawe. Epa Enogie not like you. You think say the movie forgets. The movie put down for brain. After hotel, after matter, now hotel. After your house, the recharge. You know to see in which where they talk about that for night. I was since you are married, a bad woman. Yalla say when you are go there yalla or sack me ranela. Or you go away 2 inches bed in Nigeria. La beg in any go near. And when I arrive, when I sing one blasters into mother. When I make it talking blasters into mother, and you know young now. I mean, why so the rich Jamie, you know why I did this away. That God will help you. They not get we every day fight. Who are car ball with one? Who can car ball with one? You will find yourself in a car. Bawoni, da new. Ewa I'm here very soon. You know, man, one. No, also say you know. Why am I here now?
wearing when you don't pay.
Going for Ogu the kid out to show.
Yeah, wearing when you don't pay. When you catch a liar,
what do they call her? What do they call her? What do they call her? If I don't think to use that money too, eh?
No matter what we ban now.
If I don't see what to use that money to do, I go flush her for toilet.
Yeah. Lock this door.
Yeah, tell me to go visit.
To cut the story short. Now we come here for now there for come no say she used her godmother say lie for me. And me come the saga her. Say since now she tell her that they say me I not do that video for my change room. Now she still call me, make her disrespect me. Because that call when he come to tell me say he godmother say me cannot do video. They should not let me do video past there. She say make her just come palo. Let's say I beg. Ni where for? Away no. Away godmother here way. Nigga you me which person no vex. Even now run away. But do you know today I can't realize say that woman was innocent. That woman tears pay me so much. The man come tell me say may I can't do apology. Nah, there yeah, madam. Nimwe picture where you.
Sagara, because he call you say come for children room.
Nimwe picture. Yes, because egbe inule unano.
For long.
Egbe inule unano.
You did to Chantel. You will not try to come for my body. Maybe they pack people near body.
Uti abona wa seminar ro ya wa se we.
Wokaro ya wa seminar ro ya we.
Yere na.
Wokaro ya wa seminar ro ya we. Wokaro ya ni. You cause there now I see cause.
Wokaro ya ni why it vebo.
You come say your friends are better people.
Ah, shit.
And they come and come and say your friends. You come say your friends are better people.
You not get that to cause them.
I should come I go cause them.
Because now your godmother get what she do me. Anyway, you know the video.
I don't use your seat to rub them because they are nice and responsible people.
So why is Sunu?
If not go see cause them.
I bet let me apologize to Ram. Now I will go.
I
need to tell them what happened. You are not be small picking. Where to the way? Here we be. I need to tell them how the thing happen and see the reason why the sagara. What you want to put for all those things? Tomorrow now, you want me to if I do again where we no get the saga this woman now. What do you want me to?
Yeah, we are hearing you loud and clear. Good evening, we hear you.
For my daughter, mother, when they say, you see, if godmother not the advice person badly, they no go come and go and sort out. You understand? This one why they try to talk, he happened to me. If my husband get misunderstanding. My husband not the chat. My husband not able to come up for us to gas before. He ain't the quarry. You go say you want to come my godfather. If you say you want to come my godfather, I'll suffer what can't be side issue. If you say you want to come my godmother, I'll see the talk. But if you say you want to come my godfather, I'll suffer what can't come once. You don't see my marriage before, you go buy earpiece, you go put that for a year. I go there now, I go there talk. So if you don't get earpiece, you go buy it, go sit down for parking for the end. Then I know the right thing. If you see the thing else too much, you say why you come by your father. I'll suffer what can't come on. Because why? My parents know they invest me badly. What your son said the talk, not truth. Look at the talk, not truth. He go mother. If his mother not the advice her, my father said for them to come and call the disgrace Enogie. You call this person your godmother. And then say what you do not good. And you see come and call the door. The man where they ask for teaching like the mother the advisor. You go more than the advisor. If my own husband go the quarrel, where I go the quarrel, go say what come my godfather. Because he knows say my godfather not to tolerate nonsense. Now fact this that they know somebody will get good character or get good advice for marks. That one compass. But some say what you do Enogie is very, very wrong. I don't say no all day body. Nobody will marry, no marriage will put an all day, but your own is lasting. Because this matter that he don't get used to that. Now what did they take a play game for Isa ass? Say if you dey quarrel for outside, money go dey come. You're going to see people when they give, they don't give money. The thing don't they used to them, all of them now, they don't know, say how they take it to their own way. Let they only they put. And not gay. Mama Nora, they come and come, they insult you. Now, it's not to tell you, it's saying, oh, did you not see your body? That is not that. I went go through it when the minute a bon wow down. No matter, only turn it down one now. It's not, oh, did you not see your body? Enogie, as my papa talk, if your mama not bad, you not go better. And people when you confess, when you don't chop their money, you don't chop their food, you go come and go apologize now. If not, you'll see yourself for creepy or prison. Or say, now let that be the go. You're going to know that talk. You say when you want, when you call and say they call it Ghana, you say your very past song, Ghana must go. I'll be some luggage. Go please. Come back, come for your ass. Now let Ghana to the go. You see your life? From one camp to one camp, from one camp to one camp, because where you are not giving up plan well. Now waiting to end up with this one. Go and walk. Mama not away there is a see for your ear. You know how we should walk. Things go for better. If you know they see money for that Facebook, that is that they see money for that Facebook. Hey, no get out women hotel. Now the shop they don't give money. Hotel go the lodge. You go receive money from Facebook. You don't go tell Mama Laura. Everybody know for this social media. Everybody know. Now woman I kill her like this.
Wow,
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Oh, well,
Now I come and take the blame. For you, I will not try it. I have to explain to the general public, now you make me saga this woman, and I'm here. Please. La will go. Unstoppable Lady Stella. Blogger, I'm on a cut here. You have a web video, you post your Facebook. Please. I beg. Madam. You shall not buy me away. Forgive me. Imagine to go come do ya we to go mame. Ina move way. Please. From the depth of my heart. Lao gegui. Forgive me, forget Lao.
Not be today you start this thing.
To
joyous. Not be today you start this one because my friend.
We joyous.
You saga in mama. We
joyous.
You saga in mama. You accuse mama.
Now.
Human traffic. Not be today you start this thing.
What is Sununa?
Not today you start.
It never true.
Not today you start this thing.
What's the way we white house we come here now here?
You know today comment for
with waiting. With waiting. Tell me.
You get one girl when you go also for bed.
Yes.
They can't go bring him matter for the muffin.
Yes.
The pack on the start passing the hot.
Yes.
The pack on the start guy the girl.
Yes.
The girl can say when the start guy like you never shop Asaboro money.
Okay.
You see a comment now you start guy mama.
Okay.
See mama now you ma traffic. You bully mama.
My people.
The girl can't cry swear for you.
My people, more I love that so.
He talk to you
if
like
that girl not tell me say I be shetro, I don't shop person money.
No call you shetro.
You don't be waiting to talk so.
You see una you know measure your name.
I mean your first day there.
No, na comment you drop one.
I mean your first day there.
Comment not many.
No, who do the video?
Na pass the muffin na you do one.
Not be me and na do one.
Na pass the muffin na you do one.
Like my way.
Okay, I say no, he call it na she come.
When me and I do the video, she call right for others. Say,
una de saga like so never shop person.
Why would she do that?
Did she make sure?
Did you tell your friend? You say you don't tell me they bring me down.
Did he make sure
your old friend can't tell you say your old boy that time I never marry. Your old boyfriend they shop person money.
He can't comment for
our video.
Bully the girl say go also.
Who bully the girl?
Now you are.
Not be friend with the talk to. Okay.
Not be afraid. Now one girl will go also for Belgium. Not be afraid.
May God help you.
When they accuse the girl say go also for Belgium.
May God help you.
And the girl comment, so now they bully and like say no never shop woman money. Now Maybe they said that the girl last, that guy mama. Now that girl they call it now because of you. Not be first time you start to do this. Not be now you start to do.
But this one now call.
Not be now you start some. Any person you know say I tell them like family, you won't fight with you. Say abuse, accuse them, but they stay clear away from me. That is what you have been doing.
And this woman, now person, when you say. You know the life pay person life for her.
I deal with you till now. This woman they are more person.
I don't know.
I deal with you till now.
I don't know who they are more.
I deal with you till now. This woman.
If you let help her. If you let her say that she make you this leave tomorrow, Omakane, you will not offend this woman. Will not offend her, madam. Please, Lao, get gui.
I never know you when I know her.
Get gui because if they catch person where they lie. Now so their body be pepper.
Really?
If you never understand something for life, me I dey tell now today. If you catch a liar, body be pepper they
really?
They go one cause commotion. They go one cause problem. Make them not catch them for the lie. Liar is a liar. And as I apologize to you, I will go to my TikTok and delete it, and go to Facebook and delete it. Please forgive me. I forgive her. Because she lied, she used you lie to me. Egui, Imae. If she tell me something, even if say my papa could tell me say that truth, I not go believe. Then, as for you, Golden. But before I continue, I want to use this media to beg those ayilala.
Hello.
What's up, man? I greet you. Happy weekend. We thank God. Of course. Of course.
There's no time. No Maya respect. And then the person family and they get any one. It is people put that way. We're not able to water Fenonia. Who tell me who talk? Who tell me the argument in it for if I go once so more argue. Okay, now I want to go home no more. One yako, one of Pyro no yano. Erini sunu. Okay, Erini sununia or sununi or sunune. When time we move for one do to Anya Mineo, a Cairo and I pay your boss, if you're on I pay your boss. Or when Edson and I are home, I so now, no man who will yes, lady mana, no ya full leg for now, no ya want although because anybody that is living fake life, a real thing. And another what the other man will know. Anybody no near what's no one rule that will work with and for any time that they made. Or money for any time that they made because or I'm not tell you moon. Like you know what apologizing the woman and like I will not to worry. They not to worry. So now, Jamania, advice of one in life, woman are wine, a caro cannot get work, and which is true. A Jenny, I tell you, myself, a way for you, Ugaga, when you are here, Mamma, what anywhere, and I'm working on your report here. I cannot report you. Here, one once I get here. They will be watching you. Anytime the way I report where I except where even on my then this live video presenter register where that is your occupation, that is your work, that is your feet.
Yeah.
As a blogger, that time to look for trouble because who are touched by the and they understand the meaning of that. So when I say no way for the Felicia I report essay. Problem because it's part of his job. And then this market can wear any report all our problem.
Yeah.
When a lolo report essay, and then my cat they will not sit down and investigate what is really going on. We are sort of especially they got the man, Timothy, okay, when €1
yes, ma'am.
So now, because why? When you are raising a fund, no man, in a platform where you now realize that we're raising or Africa, that is totally different than you are asking for your own pocket. In another country where you were not. So only money. Not winner. You have to be careful. If the kind of water you have to be careful. And if you like cannot allow my hand, it cannot show my hand. You have to be very, very careful. And you know, I see you when I wear a morning of whoever. I mean, Indian Laura, I don't know what woman of him, the light you wear. I will can wear all the young women. All the young women, now when I'm wearing more because Indian Laura, tell me how back for ya. All time you have a back for ya, all time you have a pen no ma, all your name, all your no ma, all your the who are living over. Iye no da marriage no ya mutiamwe. Nuya de temi umama kon bewe po mohama we iye no la leti waya mi mama kon we e pe na we ara mo ene uda odebo abie o tena la bie pe bewe po abie o tena la bie pe but one of them iye no la extra iye no la want you to have your own document yourself. If you look at what is coming out of her mouth, go and work, go and school, go and do this, and you are not ready to do that. Why we find God? Why will they pay? Why bet too? Yes, spirit, yeah, boy, because our grandma said, "No, back one, we may say in uni until you calm down. Until you calm down and why can you uni? I'm not saying that. And most of me, they don't need to name us all over because why? If we say no, what I don't know, I could tell it to no, when so then no need no need to do it. Okay, and then look, I know do it. So you have to move with people that understand life, especially in this situation. Because anywhere we are be careful, the Mohammed way. Anywhere better. I'm not me, the Baba with the smile with the no, any of you wear. Mammy, why you pour out only? Any of you wear. A woman I cannot be okay, I cannot get it.
Exactly.
Now you don't know where you are going, you don't know where you are coming from. Imagine, you make a move where. Women pay. Women so. But women will be like on top. Who gave them away? And the woman is still telling you, go and work, go and school, go and do this. And you are not ready. You are not ready because you are ready. I will not take buying one okay, let me know. Because I want to get the money in Italy. They tell me. Who said the number of I'm going to pay them. You can't buy your top. And then we are just swinging your pan. When wow, yeah, move so wow. In my new, then I go and not phone one. They do our
enough now. A day can change a man. You wait, you're in a Tana. No fear ye ho. No, you're calling your power with the wire latia. Or don't tell you any. I cannot get it. Never with a bit. Well, there you can one me. I was in an equal. The way I don't believe what you will say. So they plan when I have nothing like that.
Oh, yeah.
Who be too tough? Who want it? Where? He's a power head to life now. I go with you like a no clear.
Thank you.
Why, one year to reward me, no one to try to buy no one thing I don't want to go. I'm not going to get on a row. Who said they don't have to go? And when you have to go in the way now, hey, you do away, you not do away. Because no matter what, any year, because you know when they are, they're not getting up by already. We are young, don't tell us, they quit, we are to our way, to our people for power, every time. Or in the buy the home. I want to put up power with him.
Exactly.
You have to calm down. You will also another boy go back to my columba. I might want to harm it. You have to calm down. Because I can almost get down from where you will and if I would eat no more around. Who be a business. And I will accept. You know that you have to calm down. That's the way we're going to see it. You can't hear. You have to calm down. Oh, no, I have to Sakawa. And these are the way they smell. I can talk and say, out of no sense, there is sense. You never know, you know, I don't know, you have to that way. See, I that way. I'm not going to sack away. I want to come away. The way it is, like they tell you so. If not, you will regret it. I have back the book why I like wowo. So, I will do that way for how many years? I don't put the chaos of wowo. Then we will and we don't know we are according to when they hold the river. And we don't know we are no, I don't even know we are already. We are there by court. We are there by court. I think that my way no say no back on that back who probably wrong for what. You know? They continue against us because here do I do some because the that I didn't continue. They are here. So you need to calm down. If they carry to watch your baby, then you are changing. You want me and let me up to that. So that. If not, then you will regret your action. You will regret your life. Or when I have a weapon, when I go away here, I have away to them. I didn't get a problem because there's something you will do here collectively. They tell you about. And you know, you can't let it. So please, Ambassador, you just find a way to come back from your doings. I think you know what you might say, if I never like me, or any way, but not like you are not organized, you are disorganized. You are disorganized, Enogie. And you are disorganized. What for calling the number here? So no step on me. You step on the way. Okay. And now that's why you see that here I live the way because here I live like the elephant. Oh, that's where. And that's where the Kamamutia. What can that photo? Who about you work the morning? Here are Jericho. Everybody college. Because I need someone. Here, see why. After when now, okay, on the bed. We are taking on the bed. We are the bed. What's in our meeting? So, what are we talking about? No, dear, you have to take. Wow, the last thing I don't know. Wow, more than what? Money, reality, where Mama, who's the money raw, who's on the point? Yes, school, you're not going to who are in school. Yeah, maybe when we down there, a language, who you are, they look at it and all serious. The number not there, I want to start with my answer. Oh, don't know. Then what I can look your partner. I will manage that. I know when I'm with you. I'm going to say, where you are now. Where you are, you are people. Who does fight war? Who does fight war? Where's the baby?
Where's the somebody by what? Appreciate. Yeah. The woman not tired for them, man. Or can life for them. You really enjoy.
Yes. A pack on the start passing the hot.
Yes.
A pack on the start guy again.
Yes.
Guy again cause say una the start guy like you never shop Asaboro money.
Okay.
You see a comment now you start guy mama.
Okay.
See mama now you ma traffic. You bully mama.
My people.
The girl call cry swear for you.
My people, more I love that so.
He talk to you
If
like
that girl not tell me, say I be shetro, I don't shop person.
Umenwan,
What talk about you?
may we analyze this not be sad. The best way this thing dey happen to all of us na same set for Europe. If you know you don't do till we follow water come, it will be 2014.
Mm.
So we all know the way the Europe be. And we all don't go to that country, German. I was in Hamburg and I dwelled there for almost 3 years and 9 months. So if you look that woman video, I never know you will come back with this video. The woman not respecting no in any form. He said now, all slender beholding, we give me ass, we won't go end. Now then, even they look account whether they don't pay. She don't talk about the German women, they don't respect man. Now that white ass where they give the ass and where they give the money, that is their husband. The respect when mama know that go get to you give me looking. Now wait for the girl with the money. We give her ass, that white ass, now that one be her husband. The respect when she want give husband, now that she will give. Because the duty when man supposed to do for her, say man go put her for her, they take off. That is just let that beauty they do for her. So for that reason, he talk about you to nothing. The only person when they share the respect, now white ass will pay. And secondly, this woman don't use it, okay, don't give us, you don't actually need. Now woman will be say, you know what born for year. The marriage tired for a long time ago. Because she's a media person. If he comes, how will they see? Then we can no one go. And moreover, you know what made the council join Europe women where born for 2 men. And you don't find join Enogie saga people where born for 2 or 3 men.
Yeah.
Make you no come go join their category. Now we can so key. Me and never reconcile. As you don't want this fall now. You don't finish. You don't burn off for one place. And for the aspect of the document we look you want. The aspect of the document we look you want, that was like a look you rush to go and do marriage. To even please this woman. Whether you open your mind to process and you get that document. And they don't give you no German setting. Now woman they give this document. As she dey go school, you go do AS, BS, you go work. When you go and ask you to do AS, BS, you don't work, they carry belly, they no so enough if they to go school. You get that children, they will renew residence for her. If now 3 years before you get jam of it, for 2 years or 1 year, because no integration. For this woman to be able to give Enogie this document, to take Enogie another 3 or 4 years. This woman need to leave the total house work for Enogie. Going to school in the morning, it will be Enogie. Go and bring in those children, it will be Enogie. Then this woman have to take up a minimum of 6 hours work in daily. If this woman gets 2 years pay slip, when she still work, receive money, when she still work, pay tax for German, then Enogie now he present and say, they go say, let this woman still rest. They go now consider Enogie to give him residence. Not because Enogie they say he pay. For you to get it is a teamwork between you and your wife. But the woman is not willing to, because of you to go and work for you to have a residence. And you don't tire. Everybody they laugh you. You make one that don't get. Now that thing that this woman gets, Enogie not get, is there among
waiting to make this marriage not go fit work. Assuming the resident of man not get no get time, all these are bad goes for me, they are if not be too much. They for still be a little bit compatible. So now just the basic thing that and this woman or beautiful name, you hear the white tax no money you. Oh yeah, already up to a TikTok I will divine respect. Oh, no even Germany, no get time where we respect you white tax. No more one of the only yeah that you have been paid now. Everyone is waiting there white tax that all you have been paid now. Automatically, if I know you know piano, if I know call can you. So it no give me money. She always normal woman. About what we commentary. So it no give just there for nothing. It no give is wise enough. I don't know the status of the patient of Ryan. Oh yeah, lot of the Nora. We've been area with 10 years there. Except to Bona wa team working in order young allow. Yaga Dimona is we have the array. The best people where they are renaga compare within a year, 6 months or 2 years. It's somebody 1 year resident in the I have been responsible with being everywhere. Uki advise where you get Facebook, you sustain. A resident in the bro. And while I have Europe in a law immigration, you were not fit boy, man, way, Tiagi Balo, Umenwan, you also will be resident. I police in what the police in any police only in the documents in
Exactly. Exactly.
So I don't really know when we go anything. Now I'm already waiting. Or maybe from a Gabune so it could be a half. Or yet I don't really know. Only one will contribute, bro.
Thank you very much. God bless you. What? A way is always what? A way. I'm your who. Never problem. Now you as the man who know how to handle women. If you understand the kind of woman where you follow, you go know how to handle her. You see that Germany where Enogie did is awesome. Me, I did that Germany. I did with woman we get passport for house. For that's in Deutschland. Me and woman we get passport. They work. Don't be sitting on 2 bed. He get a house. She get a house, she work. She get everything, she get cash, she get everything. Don't be my mind for Deutschland. You understand? Baba, when I say her way, she they use me. Me, I open my heart, follow her. I open my own heart, follow her. You understand? If I ever get money, now accounts that they use Nigeria accounts. She they use my money, they build us. She they use my money, they add the money, they join my money, they build us for Nigeria. When I see her, when I one word come out for her mouth, one word, now I come out for her mouth. And that word come out for her mouth for Nigeria, not for abroad. One single word, now she's talk for Nigeria. For phone. In the presence of my father, now she make that statement. Now take come Italy. She don't normally as a date she supposed to come here. Supposed to come here, marry me for here. Pack the paper come out. How now what me she did discuss about but me, I know see no level. That word will come off her mouth, don't make me no say road no dey here. Before you go gog me, I need to gog her. As an intelligent man, when you pass Libya, I tell bro, you don't get sense. You don't go get sense again, bro. A baby boy is always what? A baby boy. You understand? Woman, they put person for house. Woman, they feed person, but be very intelligent. As you go smart, follow government. As you go smart, follow the woman when you sleep mad for house. You understand? She got everything. She got passport. She got everything. House big. Like I said to go nothing. I let you afford to be like rat for the house. Nobody they follow the shady house. Hello. I greet you. What's up, man? Real live video, let's speak up.
Why would I not be just I want you?
What's up?
Man, I don't know why anytime we have my kind of they always make me feel like okay, you know, because a way like only tormenting is that I know when you rule the bar, but I don't care. Any expert, any now because if when you would really be a lion boy, you will find to live the life you know, you to beg there will be a change. If you are giving you
exactly.
So it's not living a tormented life now. Mama Gina to tie now because anything it was just really where I been on a general family, you've been there, to live the life no going. You may wear meaning your plan. Salubana think another way that why because Orio and man.
God bless you.
Orio and mommy already are turned around in an regret now. The only good guy here where Germans, a German authority, iye-eki, I know, no can, the money can't run every antimony. We don't have any time on your market. I'm not really buying what you know, you worry. Edokpayi ya to ya ri tito kiri ya na la ona ni go ni yari to one. I'm not wishing evil, but I'm only telling you what is going to happen to you. How can somebody open one way baro one we you? Who was going tell my way to that can you to tama we no tama we ma no we at the same time you know what I didn't know. So I don't know the kind of human being he is. Well, I don't know what I any. Do many women say they blame over her where over her man or her. Nobody has told that woman to a toxic woman.
Exactly.
Because when they tell her maro be no talo, when they do he tell me atalo. Because we are no right to start to tell challenge.
God bless you.
When you are a man, I don't know I don't know. Hope we are taking so but I've never seen a man that has strength of talkative like this man. How would you not expect God to favor you? Who will give you a toxic life? We are talent. You sleepless nights. And you expect God to favor you in that kind of life. So some of them favor when my brother.
Hello.
Because your wife and your children are not happy.
Hello.
They don't see the life in Nigeria is that I really know we are only for your own selfish interest. You say when you take the woman on a way. Because I don't know the life of Udo collective, been a was on boy, what the fuck. And the we're planning that the woman is innocent of it. But Salubaya is a good plan in your head.
I know.
So all your penny, you know, because Ogama being bar, the Rama being to die here on a little pay. Then anyway, the life in the mind can one is who might die or no, you can't live here. We are very no solution. The comment he was having on that thought behind it. Then everything turned around now. No, I'm not blaming the woman one day because he has told that woman to a toxic woman. Or you could really get a law. Or a genuine, I'm not saying a genuine way of whom that can say. The extra secret my woman. I'm hearing you put it on your. Do you know the stress of the or or many? I'm hearing you to make a noise is money. No, if when you walk carry that is just the truth. You just carry
Thank you very much.
Money.
You know, can you share throw?
You don't be going to talk so.
He said, you know, measure your name.
How many of us did that?
No, now comment it drop on.
How many of us did that?
Comment not many.
No, who do the video?
Now pass the muffin, I do one.
That be me and Adwa.
Now pass the muffin, I do one.
That my way.
Okay, I say no. He call it not she come.
When me and I do the video, she call it for others. Say,
una de saga like so never show person.
why would she do that?
Did she make sure?
Did you tell your friend? You say you don't know the bring me down.
Did he make sure
Your own friend come tell you say your own boy that time I never marry. Your own boyfriend. The shop.
Sorry. When I marry him and to advise say, and let me talk to Osawe say, who will make an Moscow, why relocate? Mabega Omanokia relocate, who move to a passport. Woman passport, and then you may have copied for you. Here, a penny on a journey because we are by a country, and I will buy a country. Let me tell you now. You and I will buy a country with Tata when we any man with who are with a penny of my country. You Arturo or Umenwan. So who may be a man who one. Who are double find out. We want to find him now. We are double find out. Because una mwe beni by a journey resident here anyway. Citizen anyway, passport here anyway. So don't leave until you have a passport a journey. Una mwe beni ba una would be a day. I'm sorry, okay, anyway. Sorry, okay, anyway. And however, because my own we no mwe beni no mukari no muriye. Imagine and when they come out maybe because Kenika are listening way. Don't try it. If you try it, if you go with resident without passport, you are a loser. If when we are mass away, so all must say don't move until you have your passport.
Thank you.
Only when you want to
Western. Yep.
Person money.
You can't comment for
our video.
Bully the girl, say go also.
Who bully the girl?
Now you are.
Not be afraid with the talk to. Okay.
Not be afraid. Now one girl will go also for Belgium. Not be afraid.
May God help you.
But now they accuse the girl say go also for Belgium.
May God help you.
Now the girl comment also now they bully and I say no never shop woman money. Now you take saga the girl like saga your mama. Now that girl not quality now because of you. Not be first time you start to do this. Not be nice that they do.
But this one now called.
No.
I don't understand you. I never know now. Why you bring that guy advice for this caller now? Let her go now. Why you I don't let that guy call her beg. I will get you no rate. I only make one. Only make one element to be no make one. And he making out the potty here and here in Nigeria. And that is this no get where they beg apologize to Mama Nora go mother so. Now because of say Mama Nora one pack Ghana must go and go put for that one out. Because now the cat
you my dear island.
Hello? Yes, I talk the woman talk for us. I see the blogger say he tell her say he call her say he want carry luggage come put for his ass before he go come down there. You understand? So now make a look and they apologize. So because no hope if that woman does not apologize, no hope for Mama Laura because I tell that one poor before. He go is unstable. Now because if that one not use the head, that Mama Laura go put that woman for prison. But I may go back my word. Make that woman not use the head.
The woman does send thank you, no. The woman does
what is send her, Daddy? What is
say Enogie yellow paper.
Oh, yo, that is good.
You understand? I make
Thank God for that.
They don't judge and because they go do video call apologize to the woman.
Okay now.
I make you look go do this video of apology. Nothing much.
All right.
You understand? No, okay. What all? I know the story now. You will talk about here.
Be now you start some. Any person you know say I tell them like family, you won't fight with you say abuse, accuse them, they stay clear away from me. That is what you have been doing.
And this woman.
Hello.
Umenwan.
Aggressive, Baba.
Now this aspect now maybe come back. You see that relocation where she talks to Ireland. If you enter your Google now, look out for the whole Europa. who they give refugee when they run the go Highland, say they know they run come up because of language. And if you Google like Highland said France is the highest #1 people who they give refugee when they come Highland say they want to change them. Followed by Spain, followed by Greece, Italy, not the go Germany, not the. And Mama Nora, I know that I do not tell you that if you go Ireland, which type of document you get for UK? Me, I guess it's most visa now to UK. Before you apply for any embassy, UK and Ireland, you must get Fiji pay. Where are you working? You fill out for the embassy there. Within 2 weeks, they'll call me, you can't take. Then where are you working? Your company name. When you start work with it, you will fill everything. Then you will pay 200 and something euro for visa fee. You will come out. If they call all those companies for the work, okay, you get contract with you now, you get this one, you will drop your house address, everything. They will call you, say, come take. Mama Nora with German resident not here enter Ireland. You need visa to enter Ireland. Even me with UK visa, not go Ireland. UK visa not enter Ireland. Because of some set of people will go Japan, go UK for school. You know, if you pay school fees, so they run the entire Ireland, no shop at the road. So Ireland now is saying, if you from Nigeria get UK visa, your UK visa to enter Ireland is illegal. Me, they need go UK and not enter Ireland. Why enter Ireland is illegal? If they control me, say, I want it illegal. They will give me traffic, they will send a come a resident to France. Mama Nora, with his status in Germany, where they live on social, they don't, Ireland not give her a visa. And says in a person that no document, and they want to give her what they go. With her status, they don't know back, no, Ireland not give her visa. So make she off, and if she go, even if they look this woman now, 1 year German resident with her. If you go use that 1 year German resident to Bolo, not only one person that you don't see. Gambia, where you carry 10 years refugee document, 10 years by UN passport. As you reach out now, he give you 10 years, he put UN passport for their grant. They control whether you carry law, this one, and it is okay. It's still up to 1 year, 3 months for camp before they give her passport and give her half a good work. And now they give her Ireland the 5 years a resident for refugee. They can't change France refugee. So Mama Nora, if he enter through UK, those small boys himself enter, but UK ministry, they come for somewhere, you want to spend money, UK they give their visa here. Now just to pay your visa. If she enter through UK, go follow Belfast, even if they enter, she won't go for Ireland. This woman where they look at now 1 year German resident with them. And if you go play with that 1 year German, I'm not 50 years because you get 4 children. If you say it's a constitution, if they carry the good that they have, why you live